在男性主导的汽车维修业，安杰林打破性别框架，在14岁那年就怀抱一股对汽车维修的热忱，投身这份行业。
I started mechanic work 2014, and my friends, some of the male, encouraged me to do mechanic work. And the reason of which I'm doing this mechanic work is because I have the passion to do it.
安杰林出生在利比亚首都蒙罗维亚一个并不富裕的家庭。今年21岁的他已经在汽车维修业打滚7年。除了对专业抱有满腔热血，工作带来的收入让他能够支付教育费和家人的生活费，也成为他坚守岗位的动力。然而，作为全男帮中的一点红，安杰林坦言，自己第一天步入职场时，确实会感到害羞。
Yes, my first day at the garage, I was a little bit shy because among thousands of men, I was the only female mechanic. So I was a little bit shy, but I stand good back. They all treat me like their sister. They help me. We work together. We help each other together, and we also go out of work together. We go out of town. We go work and come back. So now I'm a proud mechanic. So I can do work, and I can also help them. I can help them in time of their need, and they can also help me in time of my need. So this is how I am.